Welcome to Techie channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix unidentified network no internet access error on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and open up your search bar. In here, just type view network and you'll find view network connections. Just open that. From here, you'll find your Ethernet. Just right click on it and click on properties. From here, you're gonna see the Internet Protocol version 4 or the IPv4. Just click on that. Then just click on the properties and make sure it is set to obtain IP address automatically as well as obtain DNS server automatically. Just click on OK after that. Then just go to the IPv6 or Internet Protocol version 6 and turn it off. Then just click on OK and then just close all this and go ahead and restart your system and your problem should be fixed. And even after restarting, if your problem arises, what to do is just go and type CMD in the search. You'll find command prompt, just run it as administrator and give it admin permissions. And in here, you need to type some commands. Here they are. Just type the first one first, which is netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter. There you go, successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart your computer in order to complete the reset. And after that, you're gonna put this one ipconfig/release and just do this. Then just do ipconfig/renew and just give it some time and it will work for you. And then just type ipconfig flush DNS and then it will flush the DNS server for you. After that, just exit this and go ahead and restart your PC and your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix unidentified network no internet access error on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.